Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. And oh my gosh, it come like it's Alkaline Week. Alkaline Week, Alkaline Week, Alkaline Week. Just pure Alkaline. Alkaline was featured in Deeds magazine. It's known for its art, design, fashion, life culture, music, news, photography, film, faces, spotlight, editorial. And we are excited to see him featured there. So what I'm going to do is read part of that article. Alkaline rules rewritten. In the landscape of modern dancehall, few name ignite and as much conversation, speculation, and culture shift as Alkaline. Hailing from Kingston, Jamaica, he took the industry by storm with the unrelenting voice, a craft fully curated image, and an instinct for disruption. Alkaline has built a career not only on music, but on mystique. He emerged in the early 2010s like a glitch in the system. Black contacts, enigmatic lyrics, and a refusal to explain himself, which is what we like the most. That strategy, or perhaps defiance, sparked global curiosity, turning him into one of the most polarized and magnetic figures of the genre that the genre has seen in decades, which is true. Alkaline stands out. He's unique. He's not like anyone else, no matter how people keep trying to say that. His hair is real, first of all. He looks better. He dresses better. He has his own style that designers have to come to him. But to reduce him to shock value would miss the point entirely. Beneath the headlines is an artist who understands power, both in performance and perception. A former media and communication student, Alkaline has always been playing chess while others play checkers, crafting a narrative that's as calculated as it's raw. From his debut album, New Level Unlock, which is a hit, make sure you guys stream, buy, and download, to his independent powerhouse movement, New Rules, he shaped an empire. And don't forget Top Prize. Now, years into his career, that's constantly evolving. He sits down to talk, which is rare, but intentional. In this exclusive interview, we go beyond the provocative visuals and into the mindset of a man who's rewriting the rules of what it means to be a global dancehall artist. From Kingston roots to worldwide reach, this is Alkaline, unfiltered, unapologetic, and just getting started. You know what? Let me just continue. You studied media and communication before the world knew your name. What was the turning point when music demanded your full attention, and what parts of that academic life still show up in your career today? Just the energy. At the time, we knew we had something worth building on, so we just did that. And here we are now. A good education is the foundation to making smarter moves in a field, you know what I mean? It always makes me laugh. When you first came on the scene, people couldn't stop talk about the black context, the bold visuals, the mystery looking back. What were you really saying with that image? And what is more strategy or self-expression? And then Alkaline said, my image is just my image, and everything cannot be explained. Lord of mercy. Yo, I love my artists, you see. New Level Unlock conquered. Was that moment a personal triumph, or just one stop on a much bigger journey you'd already visualized? Then Alkaline said, we make music consistently, so we wouldn't say it's a personal triumph, but an achievement that we are grateful for. Well said. When the industry questioned you, you built new rules. What sparked the idea to flip criticism into a creation, and how has it felt to create a space that reflects your own vision for the culture? We don't do boxes and restraints. I can't with this man. We just do what feels right for us and the people that support us, and we go from there. New Rules Toronto and Jamaica is going to be amazing. And it was. Make sure you check our channel to see more footage of New Rules Toronto. Walkthrough, everything is there. Anyhow, even though we're late, we did it. Anyhow, let me continue reading. From studio sessions to being tapped by Da Vinci, your fashion moments speak volumes. How do you see fashion amplifying your story as an artist? And is there more of that world in the future? Alkaline said, it's all about representation. Looking good, feeling good, and giving people good music and good experience all around. Amen. Thank God. I'm looking for my artists. I don't know about other people, but you've quietly supported causes close to home, from medical charities to community uplift. What keeps you grounded, and how do you carry your roots with you even as your platform grows? Yeah, Alkaline has done things for the blind. He's helped women. He's helped different foundations, but he doesn't brag on boast about it. Even during COVID, helped with the telethon. Gravity, a good system of support stays true to who we are and consistency. Well said. No one's path is free of pain. Has loss or hardship shifted the way you make music or the messages you hope your fans walk away with? You know what? I really love the questions. A loss is a loss, and we all have to go through it at some point. It hits differently for everyone, and we just deal with it how we deal with it. Well said. He doesn't try to speak for other people. We're all different, and we all deal with it differently. So what does global domination look like? You've made it clear the mission is bigger than the Caribbean. What's next on your vision board? And how are you plotting to take the Alkaline sound worldwide? So for those who don't know, vision boards where you put like what you want to see in life. I actually put the career I wanted on a vision board, and I got that, and being married and so forth. So I believe they do work. It's like you predict what you want. The music is already global. Tell them no. We're just continuing to push it forward, empowering people and creating music people can enjoy no matter where is in the world you're from. Tell them again. And you've been doing worldwide since he's been young. So like, hello. While some people like to act like Alkaline, I follow behind people. No, there's a lot of artists that are quote unquote big that have not traveled as much as Alkaline did now in their old age, or much less when they were Alkaline's age. That's just facts. I did mean to read all the article, but it was just so interesting I kept going. However, just so you guys can support it and go check it out, I'm not going to tell you the name of the different brands he's wearing. And for you to see what looks he's wearing and what clothes he has on, you have to go and check out the article at deedsmagazine.com. They describe each look that he does. He has 5 different looks, so I would check it out. Overall, that was a nice article. Well written. Enjoyed reading it. Enjoyed reading it to you all. And yeah, we know our artists. We don't expect him to do these interviews and do these things. We're cool. We're happy with just his music alone. But it is good to see him do something that the other world can see why we love him so